Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to restore sound on laptop. To start, right-click on the sound icon and select Open Volume Mixer. Here, click on Reset. Wait for this process to be completed. After this, in the search box, enter Sounds, open Change System Sounds. There, check that in the section, Sound Scheme it is, Windows Default. You can close the window. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.